Okay, so hello students. So today's program is implementation of 8-bit division using repeated subtraction in assembly language. So in assembly language, how to do division? Okay, there is no direct program to divide two numbers. Okay, so we have to use the repeated subtraction method here. So we are using the gnusim8085 simulator. You can also download it from the browser. And to divide 8-bit numbers, okay, sorry, to divide two numbers here, what should we do? Okay, so the program will be like, wait, first I will show you the code, then I will explain one by one. Okay, so I have already copied the code. Control V, yes. So you can see in the 11 here MVIA 09H means load divided 9 into n. So in register A, we load the number 09. Then the next line MVIB means move immediate B. In the register B, we load the divisor, that is 2. And another register MVIC, here we yes 00H, there is no any number. So first, as you can see here, wait, I am explaining it. CMPB. CMPB means compare A with B. But if A is less than B, then jump into the AND. Okay, that is the meaning of this code. CMPB. Okay. So now subtraction of B, that is we have to subtract B from A, means 9 minus 2. Okay, like that. And then yes, that is subtract B, means we have to subtract B from A. Then next is increment the quotient. Jump back. Then again jump back and subtract it. Okay. Then repeat the subtraction. And if you get any reminder, then store the remainder in 3008 in this memory location. Store the reminder of that division. Okay. Then the question value or the answer of this division should be stored in 30018. That is the meaning of this code. Okay, you can analyze it and understand. So now if we run this code, okay, let me run it. Yes, first let me store it here in new volume D somewhere. V divided by 2 or something like that. Okay, so as you can see here, in A, register A, there is 4. Means the question is 4. If we divide 9 by 2, 9h by 2h, this is hexadecimal, then we'll get 4 as quotient and 1 as remainder. But there is no remainder. How can we check the value of remainder? How can we check the value of quotient directly? Then just go here. There is option of memory. Okay, as you can see, memory, and then enter the memory location. Like there is 3008. If we enter 3008 and okay, then you can see the in 3000 address, memory address, the data is 1. That is, as you can see here, in 3008 the remainder should be stored. So in 3000 memory the remainder is there. That is one. And in 3001, there should be the question value, which is 4. So as you can see here, in 3001 there is 4. So by this you can do the division. And if we do 9 divided by 3, there will be no remainder. Just try it. 9 divided by 3 and run it. Okay, we have run it. And then you can see the remainder part. This, in remainder address there is 0. That means there is no remainder if we divide 9 by 3. Okay, and the question is 3. That means the answer will be 3. So this is the simple process of division of 8-bit in 8085 microprocessor. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any issue, just go to the ChatGPT and search it, because I am not the expert here also. So thank you. Bye bye.